Today, no waste of time, no bluffing. I will practically walk you through 5 free AI video generation tools I personally use for my projects. No limits, no watermarks. Now, let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Qwen 3.5+. Now, click on this website to visit it. Once you enter the homepage, click on Try Qwen Chat at the extreme right-hand top. And at the top right corner, click on Sign Up. From here, you can create a new account, or you can simply continue with your Google account. Now, after you have registered and logged in, you will enter the interface. You will notice that the interface looks familiar, and that is because it is very similar to ChatGPT. But this one is open source and offers many pro-level features. Now let's generate a simple image. Click on the plus icon and select Create Image. Go to the prompt bar and type a simple text prompt like, "A dog walking on the road." Then click the upward arrow at the extreme right-hand side, which represents Enter. You can see that it has started generating the image. Now that the image is ready, it is time to convert it into a video. Click on the Create Video within the dog's image. Then write again on the prompt bar, "Dog is walking on the road." Hit the Enter button as usual. Now the image has been converted into a video. What a marvelous process! The movement and animation are smooth and flawless. Even the background sound is perfectly generated. Then to save this video, you can easily click on the download button below and download it directly to your computer. To see what others have generated, move toward the left sidebar menu and click on Community in the Community section. Here you will see the videos and the images generated by other users. Now let's move to this, my favorite video generation tool. Open your Chrome browser and search for Meta AI. Then visit the website. Once on the website, log in or register if you've not done so. After logging in, you will see images and videos others have created using this tool. At the upper left-hand corner, you will find all the available options. To generate images or videos, click on Create. Click on the plus icon to upload images. Click on the drop-down menu, select Video, and write the prompt you want the AI to use to generate your video. For example, bring this image to life. After that, click on the Animate button. And here we go. The AI has generated an animated video from our image. Let me show you what this tool is perfect for as an advanced user. Let's generate a few images first. Select the image type, choose the ratio, and write a prompt like this: Egyptian warriors walking in a forest. Click the Generate arrow. As you can see, we have generated several images. Very amazing in Outlook. Now, if you want to turn them into videos, simply click on Animate within the image. Then let's animate a few of these images as well. All right, now let's check the results. Whoa, that looks really smooth and fantastic. You can download the videos from here. You can see how fast the generation is. The best is that they are free, no credits attached, and unlimited generation as well. One more important thing, don't confuse this tool with Meta AI and WhatsApp, though they are related, but this platform is more advanced and gives you many more features than the one inside WhatsApp. Let me show you one more powerful feature. If you want to create a longer video, open any of the videos you've generated. On the right side menu, you will see an option called Extend. Click on it and the AI will continue the video. This is the very first AI tool I'm going to show in this video, completely free and equally unlimited. At the extreme top right-hand side, it says Log In, even though I'm already on the interface, which actually means I'm not logged in now, and you already know what that means. You can use it without registration. Then, let's see how we can generate an image with this. All you have to do is type a prompt in the text area box. For example, let me say, "A real man about to jump from a high cliff." You can personalize your prompt any way you want. Click here to add a shot type, then here for color, and here for the effect. But I will leave the art style on, casual photo, and keep the shape on portrait. Now here, I recommend you generate 2 to 4 images at a time to ensure quality and comparison among images. I will go with 4 right now. Then click Generate to prepare the images. So make sure you stay tuned while our images are being generated, because I'm going to share the link shortly. Now you can see that all our images are done generating, and it is looking very nice and perfect. You can simply click right here and save it directly to your device. And this right here is the link, https://perchance.org. Open your Chrome browser again and type in Hugging Face. Then click to visit the website. At the extreme right top, click on Sign Up to create an account. After logging in, look at the top menu and click on Space. Now you've basically opened the treasure box where you will find almost every type of AI tools. Literally everything. You can refer to it as an AI marketplace where developers share their tools. Here, there are tools for image generation, video generation, language translation, 3D modeling, text analysis, code generation, image editing, and more. But for now, let's center our focus on video generation. Click on it and scroll down, and you will see many tools which are video generators. Some may not work, but most of them work perfectly and will allow you to generate videos. Example, let's click on this LTX2 video Turbo. Once opened, click on Image to Video, then upload any image of your choice, and under it, where the prompt box is located, describe what action you want the image to perform. For example, he is smiling while reading. You can equally adjust different settings here according to your needs. I will pick Zoom In, then click on the Generate Video button. And the AI will start creating your video. Here we are. The video we've generated is ready to be used. To save the video, click on the download icon to download and save your video. As you can see, no credit system, no generation limits, no hidden fees. You can go ahead and explore many other tools here. Now, let's get to the last AI image and video generator. I believe this is truly the best Chinese AI tool right now. All you have to do here is click on Visual Generation, and you'll see that this is Hunyuan Image 3.0. Before proceeding to the video generation, click on Experience It Now below. You have to know that this is a Chinese website, and if everything is in Chinese, please do not panic. To turn it into English, right-click within the page and select Translate to English, and it will be translated for you. At the right side corner, you can see we have the prompt text box, the aspect ratio, and the quantity. To start, I will type in realistic portrait of a man with a big head. I will select the aspect ratio, 9:16, select 2 on quantity, and hit the Generate Immediately button. Then the tool begins to generate our image for us. Now, let's wait and see how well it handles this. Do keep in mind that this particular tool and the other two in this video are completely free for me and you to use. Okay, our image is ready, and taking a closer look, you will see that it adhered to the prompt and was able to give us what we asked for. This is indeed a man, and he has a big head just like we requested. Just click on the side arrow download within the image and download the image directly to your device. Now, if you click here on the current model, you will notice that there is an image to video model. Just click on it and click Save. Then the interface will be changed for us to test our image to video generation. Click on Resolution and pick 1080p. Hit Upload and upload the image that we generated earlier. I will give a dynamic prompt that says he stands up, dragging his head while walking away, and click Generate Immediately. Once more, there is no credit system. In this tool, everything is free and unlimited. No paid plans, no nothing. Just make sure to use the link I will show you in the coming minutes, and you will be good to go. Okay, our video is done generating. Then let's take a look at it. And to our greatest surprise, it adhered to the prompt perfectly, as we can see. To download this straight into our PC, go to the right-hand corner within the video clip, click on the 3-dotted spot, and click Download. The clip is now saved within your system.
I made viral AI videos with zero experience. No camera, no editing skills, nothing. And the crazy part? I used simple, free AI tools to do everything. But before you continue, I want you to listen to this. The day starts before you even open your eyes. Your AI already knows how you slept, what you need, and what lies ahead. Weather, meetings, reminders, quietly prepared for you. In the mirror, it's more than a reflection. It's guidance. What to wear, how you look, what your day demands. Decisions made easier, not louder. Even breakfast is personalized. Not just what you want to eat, but what your body actually needs. Work doesn't feel the same anymore. You don't start from scratch. Ideas, drafts, code, AI becomes your collaborator, not your replacement. On the move, time isn't wasted. Your world stays connected. Messages answered, news summarized, routes optimized. Your body is no longer a mystery. Every step, every heartbeat, tracked, understood, improved. At home, everything adapts to you. Lighting, music, entertainment. Not controlled, but anticipated. This is just an introductory sample. Now I can turn any idea into a faceless video in minutes.
and some of them are already getting views. So I created a step-by-step membership where I show you exactly how I do it, from start to finish. The tools, the process, everything simplified for beginners. If you've been thinking about starting, this is your sign. Join now and create your first AI video today. The link is in this video description.